Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to do a review of an electric screwdriver for RC use. Now, a lot of the other YouTubers are either using drill drivers or impact wrenches, but for the finer work they seem to prefer the gyroscopic screwdriver made by DeWalt. That particular model runs $90 to $100. That's a little more than I wanted to spend, but I'm a light user, so maybe I can get away with something cheaper, say maybe between $25 and $30. So off to AliExpress, and this is what I found. This model is sold under different brand names. It features 6 different clutch settings, a lockable bit holder, a user replaceable 18650 lithium battery that's charged with USB-C. It weighs in at 284 grams, which is 10 ounces. Before I use this on any of my RC vehicles, I want to test out the clutch settings on an 1/8 inch piece of Kydex and a 3/32 piece of acrylic. Now there's 2 ways to fail this test. One, if the drive the fastener in and it strips out the hole. The second is if the fastener is not fully driven into the hole provided. Stripped out. It did fail my first 2 tests, but I decided to try it out on some RC parts I had laying around. It did well into the metal, of course. I did try it into plastic, which it did well. Most of the times I was on torque setting or clutch setting number 1. On some harder stuff, I did go up to number 2, but overall it's a good buy. And some things, if I could change anything about it, it would be the button placement. I would move them up top here where the logo is, because that's a little more ergonomic. Also, if it has some LEDs on the front, that would be helpful. Sometimes you really can't see into some dark crevices. I think it would be too much to ask if it was variable speed. But overall, this is a good buy. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this and the hex bits that I did buy. If you want to purchase those too, you can. But I would buy this again, and I look forward to using this and make my life easier. So I hope you liked watching this video, because I enjoyed making it. So thanks for watching.